General guidelines for sprinkler spacing. According to the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA 13 standard, widely used in the United States and referenced internationally, typical guidelines for spacing are as follows. Standard spray sprinklers, light hazard occupancy, maximum spacing between sprinklers, 15 feet, 4.6 meters, minimum spacing between sprinklers, 6 feet, 1.8 meters, maximum coverage area per sprinkler, 225 square feet, 21 square meters, ordinary hazard occupancy, group 1 and 2, maximum spacing, usually 12 feet, 3.7 meters apart, maximum coverage area, 130 to 130 square feet, 12.1 square meters. High piled storage or extra hazard occupancy requires closer spacing or specialized sprinkler systems, e.g., ESFR or in-rack sprinklers.